We bring you breaking news from Georgetown, Ontario. Ice storms are causing trees everywhere to fall over, knocking down power lines and telephone wires. We're here in our backyard to show you the damage the ice has done. This 15-year-old ash tree has lost its biggest branch, knocking a smaller birch tree down during its descent. Due to the lack of electricity, Andrew Case is outside having a barbecue dinner for his family. Here you can see our beloved birch tree bent over because of the ice weighing it down. Here is a branch that fell from the top of our ash tree, just missing the roof on its way down. We advise that everyone stays indoors tonight and away from trees. I'm Olivia Chaos reporting live from Georgetown, Ontario, December 22nd, 2013. Stay tuned for more 2013 ice storm coverage.